All right, ladies and gentlemen, as y'all can see, it's kind of dead. It's like 5:30. Y'all know what that means? It's time for Nosey out. Let's get it. All right, guys, where we at? Yeah, as y'all can see, this what do you call this sprinter steer here? Ooh, handicap. I don't want to put their license plate on. So this old Caravan handicap van. I don't know, 3.3. Oh yeah, 3.8. Same thing. Not much different. It's handicap, guys. Y'all know my story on handicap. I'm scarred for life for these things. Uh-oh, what's in the box? Uh-oh. I think I know what this is. Y'all know what that means. It's Nosey 30, so it's time for me to be nosy. Can I pick that up? Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, that is an engine. Yes, y'all remember the Magnum? That is a 2.7 long block. Yep. Hey, it comes with a oil, so we're gonna transfer the oil pan and the front timing cover. Yes, guys, that is a complete long block for a 2.7. That car's still down there. Matter of fact, we just passed that car, guys. Let's go back down there for a second. But this the one they did the we had to perform tear down. We did the tear down, and my buddy actually did the straight edge test on the head. Remember, the car overheated, guys, and it's hard to diagnose overheating complaints. So what we ended up doing was putting a straight edge on the heads and the block. In fact, I'm gonna put that little piece of clip right here.
That direction ain't too bad. Now the block is definitely not flat though, for sure. What about the heads?
There's a new one here.
What happened? Cooked it. I smell cookiness.
Cookies. I mean, he's very particular with
I am.
You're supposed to be.
I'm personally leaving shit on there just to fail that nothing.
Well, that direction's fine. What about diagonal though? Diagonal's usually always ain't right. Ooh! Oh! Ah! No, I'm done.
Wait, I want to see you do it again.
See through it, bro.
It needs an engine.
Bro, look at how bad that is, dude. It's sausage. Nah, that is garbage.
You know Robin is the truck with me?
Who?
You know Robin is in the truck with me?
Rob is truck. I'm like,
Trying to hear something.
Woo!
I can't just hear. Or
No, that ain't flat.
maybe.
No need doing the other head.
There's no point.
Thank you, John.
Yep, in fact, the heads are still over here. So although he will not be using these, because we got a loan block. Y'all know what a loan block. They got Mopar sign. It hadn't been long since maybe a year. So he will need to transfer the exhaust manifold off of it, but no need to use the head. These are the heads he actually performed the straight edge on. And the block, he did the block. Now you may not find, although the block is aluminum, but there is some cast iron parts inside of the block, guys. There's no such thing, well, at least not to my knowledge, I could be wrong. It's an all aluminum engine. When we say all aluminum engine, we talking about the surface, all right? The block could be made of aluminum, but as you know, a crankshaft is going to be made of something different. Camshaft is going to be made of something different. So it's not exclusively an all aluminum engine, but these are the heads on it. In fact, the car is still over here. So now that he got the engine, maybe he can get this car out of my stall and we can, I can have my little space back. Let me go look. This is the car. So yes, there was an extreme importance to line everything up, doing disassemble, but now that we are aware that we're not going to use any of this, we're just going to put the caps back on the head. Of course, this is extremely easy now to get the block out. There's no head on it. So the removing process is going to be extremely easy. Just unbolt it from the transmission, the engine mounts, of course, and just come straight up with the bare block because you already have the heads on the table. Good. You don't have to reuse any of this. Remember, guys, long block, the heads are built onto the block. So this thing should be running. Oh, he'll yank this out in no time. No time at all. Gotta get his Magnum back on the road. All you gotta do, guys, make sure first sign of overheating, do something about it. Okay, do not sleep on that overheating. All right, let's go this way, guys. Hey, police car. Now, y'all know what I want to know. What's under the hood of this police car? Please, before I go look, please don't let this be a 3.6, because I'm not sure who you're gonna catch, criminal-wise, high-speed chase in a 3.6. And ladies and gentlemen, oh, I cannot believe this. Yep, it's a 3.6. Oh my goodness! On top of that, it's ticking. At least I assume that, because he got the valve train apart, new camshaft, and things like that. But oh my goodness, see how he got the chain? It's not gonna come off time. At least that side won't. We haven't investigated this side, so to be sure, we won't even let it hang. Okay, we keeping tension on the chain tension on the crank. If it's going to the crank, I'm not sure that's chain even going. I can't envision it right now, but I'm so disappointed that this cop car has a 3.6 Pentastar, guys. I'm not sure. Now, I say this all the time, guys. Don't sleep on the 3.6. I mean, it has some power and some torque, but it would have been better served for cop cars to be equipped with at least the 5.7 Hemi. You would feel better during a high-speed chase knowing you may have a chance to catch the criminals. Right? Yes. Right. Go figure. But sorry. So please don't get any ideas as far as if you're in Georgia and you pass Georgia State and a cop get behind you just because you heard on JT Online Mechanic Tip channel that most of their cop cars are equipped with 3.6. Don't get the bright idea of thinking you can outrun them. Because once they get on that once they get on that CB radio and call for helicopter, it's over. Once that helicopter gets you in sight, there's no turning back. You shouldn't be, I'm talking hypotheticals, y'all, but I'm just saying, don't get the bright idea of thinking you can come to Georgia and you pass a cop car that says this, and you think, oh, I was on Online Mechanic Tips, and he said they got 3.6s in them. We can outrun them, guys. Let's go. Don't do that. Don't do that. Then they might call me to testify, try to find out why I'm telling people to outrun the police just because they got 3.6 Pentastar. That's not the case, guys. That's CB radio. Y'all know I'm joking, right? Y'all do know I clown around a lot, but don't get the bright idea. Don't come to Georgia thinking you can outrun our police, because all our cop cars is not equipped with Pentastar 3.6, but this one is. All right, guys, that's about it for Nosey Hour. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching.